Have you ever wondered how buyers find services on Fiverr? They type in their query and hit search. Now, if your gig appears in their search result, that's an impression. It could be on the first page or the 10th page. It still counts as a gig impression. Now, why should you even care about impressions, that you ask? Well, it's simple. No impression, no clicks, and no sale. Impressions on Fiverr are like the footprint that lead buyers to your doorstep. They're the number of times your gig appears in Fiverr search results. Let's break it down and see how this boosts the impression count from 10 to 20 to 5,000 to 10,000 weekly. Number one, promote your gig as low as $5 a day. We all know that a little investment goes a long way. Promote your gig with Fiverr Gig promotion feature as little as $5 daily. Think of it as promoting your gig as a billboard on a busy highway. It's saying that I'm open for business and come out and check me out. Step two, stay active on Fiverr. Fiverr is like a digital neighborhood. Activity is the key to being known. Don't be like the hermit who never leaves the house. Explore other seller services. See your niche relevant gigs and search for relevant tags to check out what other sellers are doing on Fiverr. Check the local sellers and let the Fiverr algorithm know you are alive and kicking. Step 3. Maintain a high completion rate of 95% or above. Remember, only 2 canceled orders can put your profile in red, so canceling is the biggest enemy on Fiverr. Always set realistic deadlines for projects. Be clear about what you can deliver and the time frame you can do it. Don't overcompromise or avoid rushing for delivery subpar work. Avoid taking on too many orders simultaneously. Overloading yourself can lead to delays and cancellation. Use Fiverr availability settings to manage your workload effectively. The refund should be your last resort. Use it only when you can deliver as agreed upon and the client is satisfied. Discuss situation with the client first. If you're an email copywriter and you won 5 email sequence orders on Fiverr, set the orders for at least 3 days, 2 days for delivery and 1 day for any revision that's required by the client. And step 4, optimize your gig title. Your gig is your first impression on potential buyers. It's like a book cover. It must be eye-catching and informative. Use niche relevant keywords wisely. Think about what buyers might search for. Would you buy a mysterious novel with a boring cover? Leave it with your buyer. Click on a dull gig title. Suppose you offer video editing services. Instead of generic titles like video editing services, go for something like professional video editing that wows. This title is more engaging and highlights the benefits of your service. Step 5, respond promptly. Fiverr is like a race and the response time is your sprint. Refrain from letting your response be like a snail when a buyer contacts you. Speed matters. Imagine you're at a restaurant and you're really hungry. If the waiter takes ages to respond, you'd be frustrated, right? Buyers are the same way. They want quick answers with solutions. Hence, if your response rate is above 90%, Fiverr will mention you as a highly responsive seller. Boosting impression on your Fiverr gig is all about proactive and putting your best foot forward. So apply these tips and watch your gig impression soar like a rocket. Comment below and like and subscribe for more freelance success tips.